Hi, to set up Hey Google on your Samsung Galaxy S25, all you have to do is open Settings. From here, you need to find Google tab. Let's just find it. And now, from Recommended tab, switch to All Services. Scroll down and choose Search Assistant and Voice. And after that, you should see Google Assistant. So tap it. Go in this first tab, Voice Match, and here you need to tap on the switcher so it will light up blue, and now it is enabled. We can also retrain Voice Match model, so tap here and say aloud everything you see on the display. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And now it is ready. So let's tap next. And you can see that it is activated. If you accidentally switched to Gemini Assistant, then you can find this Gemini app in your app drawer. And here, let me just set to use Gemini. If you can see this tab, then you need to tap this profile icon and choose to switch to Google Assistant. Then tap it and decide to switch. And now let's try this out. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And now we just set Google Assistant and it helped me to set a timer for 5 minutes, as you can see. Also, you can long press your power button and Google Assistant would be triggered as well. But if in your case you can see power off menu or Gemini, then go in Settings. From here, choose this tab Advanced Features, then Side button. And for long press, choose Digital Assistant, tap Settings icon and choose Google. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.